Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today on Mama Bui's menu, we are making mayonnaise biscuits. These biscuits are quite amazing, guys. Best baked in a muffin tin. They are definitely simple to make with ingredients on hand. Jumpstart your morning with a warm mayonnaise biscuit slathered with butter and jam, or drizzle gravy over these moist fluffy biscuits to complement your dinner. The mayonnaise in this recipe replaces the fat. Its tanginess and creaminess give these drop biscuits their moist, fluffy texture. They are crunchy outside and soft in the inside, guys. So let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. The recipe, you will need self-raising flour, mayonnaise, and buttermilk. First things first, in a bowl, add buttermilk. Then we're gonna add mayo. Use a wooden spoon to mix the buttermilk and mayo. You can also use a whisk, guys. I normally leave chunks of mayo. Add the flour to the buttermilk mixture. Then using the wooden spoon, mix thoroughly until well combined. Just like so, guys. Lightly grease the muffin tin with a baking spray. Then scoop the batter into greased muffin cups and bake at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 minutes. The biscuits are out of the oven. Brush the tops with melted butter and serve warm. It smells so good in here, guys. In case you are wondering why we are using mayonnaise, mayonnaise is basically just a mixture of oil and eggs, so it functions very well in all kinds of baked goods. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.